The INEC has the voting materials, have the PVC. I saw it on newspaper just last 2 weeks that INEC is requesting 1.5 billion for somebody to get a certified root copy. That is absurd. But largely, sir, I have seen election. I know I'm a first timer, and you know we went through baptism of fire. I have seen election where the guideline has clearly stated this ABC. People were declared winners with less than 100 votes instead of saying the election is inconclusive. And those people were never prosecuted. INEC didn't do any post-mortem to say, look, what you did is wrong, and bring those perpetrators to book. I think INEC need to, after each election, see where the infringement are, who acted on that infringement, and actually prosecute it. And lastly, sir, is diaspora voting, sir. Sir, I understand diaspora remittance is now more than the crude oil income coming into this country. If these people are so patriotic to be bringing in dollars, when some of us politicians will be taking this money out without any job, they have sweated, get the money, brought it back to Nigeria so that it will improve our economy. Why are they not allowed to determine the future of this country? Thank you, sir.